Hey guys, AB with you here, and guess what? It's Sunday, all my prep is gone, which means I gotta start from scratch, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be eating this week. But again, nothing out, nothing prepared. I'm gonna be showing you today another example of us going to the fridge, going to the pantry, pulling out stuff, and making some meals. So, let's get started. Let's get into the fridge. I know we have a bunch of veggies. We've got peppers, more zucchini, broccoli, an onion.
A lot of random veggies. No, don't take my carrots. I need them for juicing.
Couple carrots.
I need them for juicing, but
Get rid of that.
You gonna buy me more carrots?
Sure. My mate Tofu, coconut aminos, back in the game. That's it from the fridge. Pantry time. We got dates. We got rice. We got red rice, brown rice, cashews, chickpeas, black beans, quinoa, red kidney beans, pasta,
Lentils. There's lentils.
lentils. That's basically it. See what we got. So a pretty good mix of stuff right here right now, but I'm gonna hit speed this week and have a lot of veggies that I can utilize. So last week we did, marinara sauce and olives. So let's just take that out for variety. And I also did quinoa last week. I didn't do rice last week. So I'm gonna do stir fry. Just do a stir fry. I have perfect vegetables to stir fry, and I have coconut aminos. I can use that instead of soy sauce, plus the tofu, and I can basically cook all the veggies into one wok, which will save me time, and then it'll basically just be waiting for the rice to make some stir fry.
So you're gonna make one meal this week?
Yeah, I'm gonna make 8 stir fries, because I got enough food for 8. This is plenty of lots of veggies. I'll do I'll do some rice in a container with the veggies and tofu and coconut aminos. That'll make enough. Because this is my last week of my cut, I don't want to have the pastas. I want to have as much veggies as I can. And yeah, let's get into making some stir fry. Okay, we're going to start the clock at 12:46. I want to get this all done by 1:30. So we're going to start with a wok and a big pot. A lot of you guys ask where to get our cookware. There's links in the description if you want to get all this. This stuff comes in a set. Link in the description. Okay, we need the rice to put on. I'm going to do 8 meals. So I'm going to do 2.5 cups of rice, just to make sure I have enough for the 8 meals. I'll do a bit of red and a bit of white, just for a bit of difference. And also, just to know that I like eating the same thing every day. I can handle eating the same thing every day. Of course, you could mix it up if you want to do it at home. So, here you go. Cup. 1 cup. Be 2 cups of the red, and then ½ cup of the white. There we go. Rinse. And I'll strain that water out. And then I'll go in with a couple of cups of water. Okay, I'm going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil to my rice, because that's how to make the nice rice. Put that in there. Beautiful. Pop it on the back stove. Pop it on high. Pop it on the lid. And when it comes to the boil, we'll turn it down. Now on to the veggies. So, paper towel down, cutting board down. I'm going to toss these veggies into a little bucket over here and give them a little wash. Okay, veggies washed. I got my scrap bowl. We're going to start cutting. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop up garlic and onions. I'm also going to weigh up my veg as I go so I can calculate my macros. Very important this week. 263. Let's say 250 once I take off this part and the bottom part. And do a nice slice. Okay, now my onions and garlic are done. I'm going to move over and get my pan ready, get the wok ready. And that pan nice and hot. We're going to add in a tablespoon of the coconut oils. Want to get our pan nice and hot. This is going to come together really quick. So I'm actually going to be cutting and throwing in, cutting and throwing in. So
Just like Steph's curry.
Just like Steph's curry. So while that
We're very close to me.
Step away from the camera. While the oil's heating up, I'm just going to do this, which is very un-Adam-like. I'm just going to put this to the side.
My God, what are you doing?
I know, I'm putting it to the side so I can keep cutting. So I'm gonna come back over here, keep cutting up my veg. Scallions, unnecessary, really, because I have the onion in there, but we'll go in with the peppers. So when you're cooking stir fry, you wanna try and judge what goes first. So these can cook down, or I can leave them crunchy. So if I wanna leave them crunchier, I'll put them towards the end. So I might wanna go with carrots first, then maybe broccoli, then maybe zucchini, then maybe the peppers. So I like peppers to be nice and crunchy. So I'll peel the carrots. And of course, if you are stir frying, you can add some spice to this. I may add some red pepper flakes in here. When I do carrots for stir fry, I'm going to cut them into what I call diamonds. Scrap bowl, always in the scrap bowl. Starting to smoke. She's hot. Oh yeah. It's stir fry, so you want it hot. That's going to be about 1 minute. Rice has come to the boil. Turn it down to low. Rice is now on low. Lid stays on. That'll be about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Keep stirring this, and then transfer the carrots to this plate here. There we go. Now I'm going to cut up the zucchinis. So you want to make sure you have chef awareness. Think that you always have something on the heat, and that you know you're going to have to come check it. So like you do that. Give it a stir. Come back. Cut this into diamonds as well. Beautiful. Keep stirring your onions, and I'm just going to make sure this is all stirred around in here in the rice. It's sticking to the bottom. That's good. I can basically let that sit over there now. Onions are coming up nice, getting nice brown colour. Only a few more seconds, and I'll go on with the carrots. While that's over there, Steph's going to keep chasing me.
Oh.
I'm fast. I'm fast.
I'm pregnant.
That's okay. That's okay. Beautiful. Zucchini's done. Onions are done. They're nice and golden. Beautiful. I'm going with my carrots. I'm going with them. Turn them around. They'll keep cooking out. Keep caramelizing. Beautiful. I'll pop my zucchini over here on the plate so I can keep cutting. Nice colour. So my carrots. I'm going to go with my zucchini right now. Boop.
Get lazy. I'm just going to stay over here.
Okay. So good.
What is that? A julienne?
Yeah, basically. It's not perfectly julienne, but basically.
So we'll call it a Sophie.
A what?
A Sophie.
Okay.
It's not a julienne. It's a Sophie.
Right. Funny.
Ah.
Very funny. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. And of course, you could just cut all of this before starting cooking, but it's kind of my habit to kind of like get the cooking started. That would be called mise en place. You get everything pre-cut before you start cooking. Just thinking about it now, I didn't weigh up my zucchini. I forgot to weigh it up. I'll just guess the zucchini, I'll times it by 4. It's gonna be about 400 grams. 500 grams. I'd say 500 grams peppers. Here we go with those. Boop. Beautiful. Look at these veggies. Hashtag eat your colours. Look at all these colours. And to finish, I'm going to do some broccoli. Pick up the bottoms. I like using the stalks. It's going to give me about, what, like 300 grams. Broccoli's nice and crunchy. It's like a green carrot. Pop that in. Broccoli, I just make little florets. Beautiful. Okay, broccoli's done. Broccoli's going to go in. Sauterne.
Ooh, that smells good.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. To finish it off, I'm going to do 1/4 cup of aminos. Oh yeah. Get in there. Get in there. Oh yeah, I got sauce. Now I will give it a taste, but it's probably salty enough. I will taste it. I could add some salt and pepper if I wanted to. Okay, while that's going, I'm going to start cutting up the tofu. Dry out my tofu a little bit. Roll it up in some paper towel. Give it a good press, good squeeze. A lot of you guys asked this week, can you be plant-based and not eat tofu? Of course you can. I
don't eat tofu.
That doesn't eat tofu, but I love the tofu. I love it. I'm trying to give you guys some recipes so you guys can like it. I'm going to do this fried. It's going to soak up the coconut aminos. So, that's dry. Now I'm going to take this out of the pan, and then I'm going to fry up the tofu. Look at this. This is my veg. Hashtag eat your colours. That's beautiful. This is done now. So I'm turn it off for a quick second so I can take it out and put it straight into a bowl. Here we go. Whee! Beautiful. Coconut oil back in the pan. I'm going to fry up the tofus. Hands nice and hot, ready to go. Here we go, my tofu. Nice and slow. Lay them all out flat if you can. Not touch the bottom. Give our tofu a toss. Oh yeah, that golden crispy tofu. Oh yeah. Okay, rice is done. The rice is looking good. I'll plate the rice, add the veggies on top, and then the tofu will be done. Let's do it. I'm going to do a 1/2 cup this week in each. And of course you could add more rice. Normally I would have a full cup of rice. But last week my weight cut, I'm going to only have 1200 this week, and then I'll go back to my regular scheduled diet. And I'll be showing you guys over the next few weeks how I'm going to be working out and keeping my body fat down after my weight cut. So I have Maybe made a little bit too much rice. Maybe just the 2 cups would have been fine. There's definitely some rice left over.
I'll eat it.
Stephanie will eat it. That's the same thing with meal prep. If you're prepping and you cook extra, that's fine. Then you can just give it to your significant other. So I'm just gonna shake this out on the bottom. Shake the rice out on the bottom, and then we'll add on the veg. Toss my tofu, nice and crispy. So veggie time. Got some of the sauce on top. A little bit of sauce in there. Why not? So your tofu's done. Crispiness. Come check this out. Tofu's done. Tofu's smoking. I'm just gonna finish it off with some aminos. I want to stand back for this one. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Want to get that coconut aminos cooked out. There we go. Beautiful. Turn that off. The time is 1:36. 6 minutes delayed.
That's okay. We had dogs throwing up.
Yeah, dogs throwing up.
Barking.
All things happening. That's pretty good. So where did we start? 40.
Yeah.
I started at 40. Boom. Tongs down. 37 now. Less than an hour. 57 minutes. And you can make 8 meals. Easy as that, guys. That's it. So this is going to be my lunch and dinner for the next 4 days. I'll be having my plant-based smoothie in the morning for breakfast and snacks. Undecided as of right now. But you can find my full breakdown of all the macros on our Instagram. Links will be below for that. And yeah. So if you wanted to make this, of course you could have made 2 different types of stir fries. You could just stir fry up the veggies and then you could split it in half. Do peanut butter, like do a satay, do a coconut aminos, do a sriracha, do, you know, hoisin, whatever kind of sauce you want. And yeah, but I'm keeping it simple this week. Last week of the weight cut, and finished the weight cut strong. Meal prep videos come out on Friday now. Stay tuned for the weight cut update.
Woohoo!
Till then, guys, namaste.